Seven Fulvic acid benefits and uses. Do you know what fulvic acid is? It is a powerful organic ingredient that can be found in bodies of water, soils, and rock sediments. Well, this natural substance actually provides many health benefits and uses. The production of fulvic acid happens when healthy bacteria are released and organic plant matter is decomposed. As a result, fulvic acid has the ability to do the following. 1. Improves gut health and immune function. Fulvic acid contains trace minerals, electrolytes, fatty acids, and silica, all of which support your digestive tract. They have the ability to repopulate the healthy microbiome environment. Having a proper function of your digestive system is very important for reducing stress response, building immunity, regulating appetite, and controlling hormone production. 2. Helps boost digestion and nutrient absorption. Electrolytes and trace minerals are essential for proper metabolic functions, digestion, and nutrient assimilation. Even if you take fulvic acid in small doses, it will still improve the ratio of bacteria living in the gut. Moreover, it reduces symptoms like diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. 3. Protects cognitive health. It has been scientifically shown that fulvic acid contains antioxidants which can protect cognitive impairments, such as Alzheimer's disease. Fulvic acid can lower the length and morphology of tau fibrils, thus stopping the progression of the disease. Many experts claim that this acid provided incredible results in patients with Alzheimer's disease. 4. Improves detoxification. Humic acids have detoxifying properties and are very beneficial in the case of digestion and improving energy. These acids can attach to toxins and break them down. According to numerous studies, humic acids contain ion-selective electrodes which have the ability to bind to copper, iron, and other metals, thus attracting heavy metals and filter soil. 5. Lowers free radical damage and inflammation. Free radicals have a responsibility to supply our body with energy, regulate hormones, and fight pathogens. However, too many of them can accelerate the aging process and lead to many diseases. Low nutrient intake along with smoking and exposure to environmental pollutants can raise the free radical damage. Fortunately, fulvic acid is packed with antioxidants which can detoxify your body and eliminate the toxins. 6. Improves energy levels and lowers pain. Many people who have been using fulvic acid reported that they experienced incredible results. It can boost your energy levels due to its ability to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation, increase detoxification, and boost your intake of nutrients and electrolytes. 7. Repairs and protects the skin. According to various studies, humic acids can protect the skin and treat irritations and wounds caused by bug bites, rashes, eczema, and scrapes. The Journal of Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigative Dermatology published a study which showed that fulvic acid supplementation can improve symptoms related to eczema.